After the storm, the day after the storm, the real damage was basically down power lines and trees, as well as the flooding from the storm surge. So for our capabilities to respond to Hurricane Sandy, we had 50 pumps this size and larger on contract to the Army Corps of Engineers, which was helping with the disaster relief.
When I've been to New York many times, you don't expect, a city like that with all of its infrastructure, everything's in place. Obviously 9/11 happened, that was obviously extremely devastating. But to see a city in complete darkness, it's surreal. You expect all the bright lights, the people running around and what have you. You don't expect that. And I think the difficulty for me was just to comprehend what was actually going on and where do you start? As I say, we started with Con Ed trying to get the power back on again. Then we looked at the tunnels. So from there, just every day, we were doing 16-hour days, every day took on kind of a new meaning to actually be working in the city itself. And trying to get people to do their daily business as well. That's really what they wanted, is to still continue with their daily activity. They, as much as us and the other contractors out there, it was extremely difficult working in that kind of environment as well. So it was. It's not something that you prepare yourself for. You kind of have to work with it. As far as helping everybody out.